Here we come to the Otis elevator at Christ United Methodist Church in Sugar Land, Texas. This is an Otis Series 1 from 2003. Chime is silenced since last time. It's kind of like the one at my church at Fort Bend Community, like the one at Fort Bend Community Church. Go for one more ride. See if the down lantern works. It does light up, but it doesn't ding. I mean, it doesn't make that chime. These are your fixtures. Notice how they have the 2 taped over. I assume this is elevator, originally said elevator number 1, but they just taped the number 2 over it. I'm gonna go for one ride, just so I can hear the motor silently without any interruptions. Door could use a little bit of greasing. All right, well, with that being said, there it goes. And that's it.